Hey guys, good morning. This time we're heading to the 2022 European Classic Car Meet. This is the time of the year where the owners of these classic cars are showing it to the public, and I heard it's free for this year. They never had it, obviously because of the pandemic, for the past 2 years, but this time they're back. So I'm very excited to show these cars to all of you. So let's go. So guys, I'll show you this guy. This guy is probably heading there to show off his car, or maybe he's just going there to see other cars like his. I'll show you around. So guys, I'll show you this guy. This guy is probably heading there to show off his car, or maybe he's just going there to see other cars like his. I'll show you around. Guys, here we are. It's quite a walk to the location. As you can see, people are walking from here. So we're just gonna park, and then we'll see how we're gonna do it. Let's go. Well, watch the show. It's gonna be a good day for us. So people showed up with their cars to show to the public. Let's see. Guys, check this out. Volkswagen, probably on the 70s. Guys, check this out. Volkswagen, probably on the 70s. Let's check out that tent. That looks good. Hi guys.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Hi. What's your name?
Maverick.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good. Ready for camping here? Wow. Oh, it's gonna be the model. Let's try it. Uh-oh. Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. You got it. Wow. Comfy, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
And you can roll the seats.
Let me see. Oh, your game. Nice. Hi.
Bye.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Here, launch.
Wow.
It's pretty neat. So guys, this is the side where those small cars. It's like Mr. Bean's car. Let's check it out. $1991. This is 67. Wow. Mini Cooper 94. Oh, this is classic. 78. My kind of car. 1962. Look at that. Huh? Wow. Wow. This one is also a 62. Wow. Beautiful.
That one's a kit car. This is an original.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Do you like my t-shirt?
My vehicle is protected by the following anti-theft devices. Standard. That's a good one. Good one. Yeah.
Just funny.
Gotta have some humor too, right? Of course. For everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I gotta put you back.
Okay, sir. These are all Austin. Most of them, at least. I'll show it to you, and I'll let's see how old it is. 60. Look at this engine there, huh? Okay. 2000 MK2, 63. Most of these cars you only show them in a movie now, but now they're here. Let's enjoy it. Yeah, let's check some race cars here on this side. Jaguar. This. Holy smoke! What's going on here? Let's go to the Spider. This is a very fast car in here. See the engine there? Jesus Christ. This is really a European lineup here. Look at this guy. Holy moly. Wow. Characteristics. Check this one. That's a beauty. It's 1960. Let's see what's inside. Wow.
No, jeez. So I can't put the pipes back in it? But like,
1960.
tears on the car now, firewalls on the car, repaint the engine there. So.
Wow. Another Morgan. Alright, this side is a little bit more modern on this side. Aston Martin H3 here. I like the tent out up there. That's cool. The classic Land Rover here. Okay, one more time. Let's hop into a time machine here. Hold on.
That stuff looks so.
1968 race car.
And the challenger will flip of the coin who's going to win the race.
Oh,
Every friggin' time she take off on 16.
This one is something. Look at this guy. Wow, that's cool. For guys like me who like outdoor, this is the side. Let's check it out. Classic Land Rover, guys. $1961. Imagine that. Surprise, surprise. Back to the Future. Where's Marty? Look at that. And Doc. Remember the movie? Back to the Future? This is the one. Holy camoli. There you go. To last, of course. Let's check inside. What's inside? Oh, wow. It is really Back to the Future for this one. Unbelievable. Marty, where are you, man? Should be here by now. Holy smoke. Where's your time capsule, man? Unbelievable. Wow. Some of them, they just opened the hubs, the other hub, just to tease us. 1992.
He was my neighbor.
Look at this guy. How old is this?
48.
1948. Imagine that. Oh, smoke. Look at this. He even put the props on it. Look at the goggles there. Leather, kind of. Restoration. He even had a slam book for it. Let's go to small cars again. Midget? Yes, it is.
Why do you like Stanley Park? Yeah.
Ford Porsche there. Okay guys, check it out. This one behind me is a Rolls Royce 1975. And the next guy there, 1945 or 40 something. So let's check it out. It's like a presidential car during the old days. And look at this dude. Rolls Royce 1958, my apology, but it is still. McLaren, of course. How you can say no? You just can't.
Probably a lot less money than what they
Solar car by University of Calgary.
Yeah, it's much more efficient than any commercial panel. But the reason we have all these do not touch stickers is because the oils from your hand get logged your
Hey guys, this side is our sports car of the late 70s and early 90s or early 80s. Let's see.
Yeah, exactly. And it was
$1978. It's beauty. Alfa Romeo 88. Wow. Guys, look at this one, 1957. Holy moly. It's a Fiat 1957. Okay, more sports car on this side.
and you have a TIG welder.
TIG welder. Yeah. So,
You know what you're doing.
half the frame, most of the frame is MIG welded, but then all the aluminum stuff is TIG welded.
Yeah.
And some of the more physical welds are TIG welded.
Yeah, the buddy that built Shelby. That's like a factory 5 or something like that, or you have to get a TIG welder. Oh yeah. But yeah,
Look at that, huh?
There's another sheet over there.
Guys, look at this one, 1957. Holy moly. It's a Fiat 1957. Guys, are more power car or race car on this side.
you know what it made for?
About 100,000. Well, they made about 100,000.
More Volvo on this side. Still, this is a beauty.
No, she was interested over it. Yeah, love it. So I do have to decide what I'm going to do. I won't be selling it, but I can decide how, like.
This one is 1973.
Oh, okay, right.
Okay, guys, what's out? This one is 1979. If you want to go for camping those years, that's what you got. 1979. See what's inside. Pretty basic, of course. But there's a sink. Obviously, you can fold that thing in there and sleep in there, at least maybe. And there's the one at the top there. Wow, let's check the back. I was right, you can fold it and you can sleep in there. Look at that. Volkswagen's boss returns to family after 40 years. Holy smokes. Wow. Hey guys, for those of you who want to see more modern cars, and this is the lane. Let's check it out. Goes your Ferrari. This is 2017.
This is just the average car.
Oh, I like this one. What year is this? Obviously, most of them are red. Sexy red. 94 for this one. 74 for this one. I was only 5 years old back then. '92. Obviously, most of them are red, but it comes with a black too, or different color. This one is 84. But as you observe, most people are kind of hook up or got more attention for those red ones. '68. I wasn't even born that time. It's cool. Gold one. This is 2006. Still unbelievable. All right, more Ferrari. '93. Oh wow, this is unique. Wow. '81. That's a beauty. Yeah. Let's check the back there. What do you got there? Oh, '91 actually. Not '81. Look. The engine for the 1991 Ferrari. It's a monster.
Right. That's pretty cool stuff. I like that. 0001. Oh, really? Oh, wow.
'88. Guys, the 2022 European Classic here in the city of Calgary. I hope you had a good times. You can click, you can subscribe, you can make a comment, and then I'll see you next time.